Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel viewers. In front of me Motorola G84, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So first layer, remember the one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. Open your settings, scroll down, find your storage. I have used only 6% because it's a new device. And if you have used over the 70%, so you need to free up your space. So if you will have 75, 70, so it's okay. But I suggest to use less than 70% of your internal storage. If you have filled your storage over the 90-95%, just try to clear your space and just check how fast your device can be. Okay, great. The next aspect why your device is sometimes slowing down is because the lack of RAM. So sometimes you just need to click on the square button and click clear all, and in this way you will clear RAM on your device and speed up your device. And of course, need to disable the power saving mode. Power saving mode is when you have enabled power saving mode, your processor can't work on 100% of their performance, and it uses only 70-75% of full processor performance. So if you have expected that your smartphone is slowing down, try to disable power saving mode. And sometimes you just need to clear junk files. To do it, open Files application, click clean, junk files, clean, clear, and cool. Fine. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.